All right, welcome back to the shop. This is gonna be a good one. So we have all this rotted out, rusted out. Gonna clean it up a little bit, but also made these, and these are gonna go in here just like this. You notice on cars you got these tabs where this is gonna fold down and weld to, and then we got tabs on the other side as well. And the idea is to clean this out, this channel out, cut along this line here, probably use some Clecos to tie them in, and then weld that new window channel in place. So that's the idea. We're a little ate up here, but I think we'll be able to figure that piece out. All right, see how it goes. Get rid of this. The joys of fabrication and rust repair. All right, so far so good. We got it tacked in. We're gonna cut, just gonna show you this little piece right here. We're gonna cut this overlap so that way we can get a little gap to weld to. You might have to trim this side a little bit too because it's pushing up a little bit, but let's take care of this lip first. Okay, so you could kind of see we're just trying to get a gap there to tack in. All right, we got it in place, all tacked in, pretty good. Normally you would spot weld on the inside because there's a lip that goes down, but there wasn't enough material because everything was pretty ate up after this bend. So we just went over the top, grind that down, and then we'll just fill that in, and we're good. Everything's flat here where the window's gonna sit, and we just gotta make sure that we're straight here and just under the bend right there. So everything will be good. Even though you won't see it, we're gonna make it look pretty, do some body work on it, some filler, and it should come out pretty good. So there you have it. Not the easiest task, but got to do it.